Going to the bank in English can be stressful if you don't know the right words. Today we fix that. Do banking words in English confuse you?
Honestly, that's where a lot of learners freeze.
So today we give you the exact phrases native speakers actually use.
Let's do it.
Welcome to Real English Podcast. Today's topic, at the bank. You'll learn 10 practical phrases you can use immediately, each with a real example. These are the words and expressions you'll actually hear and need in this situation.
Knowing them means you'll understand what's said to you and respond with confidence.
1. Open an account. The first thing many people need.
I'd like to open a checking account.
2. Make a deposit or withdrawal. Putting in or taking out money.
I'd like to make a deposit, please.
3. What's the exchange rate? When changing currency.
What's the exchange rate for euros today?
4. Transfer money. Moving money between accounts.
I need to transfer money to another account.
5. My account balance. How much you have.
Could you tell me my account balance?
Quick review so far. Open an account, make a deposit withdrawal, what's the exchange rate, transfer money, and my account balance. 5 more coming up. 6. A debit or credit card. Know the difference.
My debit card isn't working at the ATM.
7. There's a fee. Charges for services.
Is there a fee for international transfers?
8. My card was declined. When payment fails.
My card was declined, could you check why?
9. Apply for loan. Borrowing from the bank.
I'd like to apply for a small loan.
10. Proof of address or ID. Documents they ask for.
You'll need proof of address and a photo ID.
Let's practice with a short role play. I'll play one side, you respond.
Ready.
Good morning, how can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to open a checking account.
Certainly. Do you have proof of address and ID?
Yes, right here. Is there a fee for the account?
No monthly fee if you keep a minimum balance.
Great. And could you tell me the exchange rate for dollars?
See how natural it sounds when you have the right phrases ready? Today's 10 phrases for at the bank. Open an account, make a deposit withdrawal, what's the exchange rate, transfer money, my account balance, a debit or credit card, there's a fee, my card was declined, apply for a loan, proof of address or ID. Practice these before you're in the situation, so they come out automatically.
Confidence comes from preparation, and now you're prepared.
Which of these will you use first? Tell us in the comments, in English.
And if this was useful, subscribe for practical English every week.
Thanks for listening to Real English Podcast. See you in the next episode.